Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here, a retired expat traveling the world, now in Mexico, registered with IRS since 1999. In today's video, we talk about food costs in Iraq, drone problems, and our tax trivia question. New career opportunities in Iraqi Kurdistan. The United Nations has advertised a new position in Iraqi Kurdistan. The link, of course, will be in the description. One of our top news stories today is, has Iraq failed to control drone movement? And in this article, it talks about a variety of different drones being found throughout Iraq. Iraq authorities are very, very quiet on the entire incident of the drones. And as you know, the U.S. drone strike with the Iranian general made global headlines. So this drone issue is extremely important. Guys, as you know, I'm an expat and I am in Mexico. The food costs here in Mexico has not gone up significantly in the last 6 weeks or so. But I understand that the food cost is rising greatly in the United States. And I just wanted to give you a heads up. It may be time to head on over to Amazon and take a look at some seeds. And then you can come back to YouTube, and there are great videos on how to grow vegetables in the backyard, in front of the house, wherever. Speaking of food costs, Iraq's food cost remains constant as far as we can tell. The Iraqi dinar currency is used in the country of Iraq. And here is a list of food costs in June of 2020. As you can see, domestic beer is about 1/2 the price of imported beer. You can also find Coke and Pepsi in Iraq. Now see on the left-hand side where it says rent per month. Now look all the way to the right on your screen on that same line and see the price ranges of different apartments in Iraq. Now for our true or false tax trivia question. While cryptocurrency has the word currency in its name, the IRS does not recognize it as a currency. Instead, the IRS categorizes cryptocurrency as a property, and it is taxed similarly to stocks, even when it's used to make purchases. True or false? The answer is true. The IRS does not consider cryptocurrency or virtual currency to be a currency.